Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So on this video I'm going to be showing you how I make this fresh sausage risotto. This is very delicious, guys, and you need to give it a try. If you don't like risotto, you're going to love this one. So let's get to the ingredients. So I'm going to be using some sausage, butter, cheese, some beef stock, rice, onion, dry white wine, and this is called Saffron in Italy. I'm going to be leaving the name at the description, so check the description for all the ingredients here. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to heat up my pan, add a little bit of extra virgin of olive oil. Then I'm going to add the sausage. I'm using the combination of pork and beef sausage. You can use any one of your choice. Okay, so I'm going to cook the sausage until they are brown. Just make sure that I will show you the consistency, okay, that I'm looking for when it arrives to that. Like, you're going to dry up the water, everything. When you start seeing only oil, that is when you're going to be taking it out of the heat, which I'm going to be showing you now. So this is the consistency I'm looking for. As you can see, the meat is completely brown. So I'm going to remove the meat now and set that aside while we move over to the risotto. So on the same pan, I'm going to add butter. You can use oil, which is extra virgin of olive oil only. So I'm going to be using the mixture of butter and oil. Then I'm going to be adding the onion I'm using, which is Shallot, something like that. I'm going to be leaving the name. It's called Shallot in Italy. So I'm going to saute the onion for about 3 minutes, or you can take 4 minutes, depends how many minutes yours take. So after 3 minutes, I'm going to start adding the rice now. This is the secret of risotto. Any risotto not that the rice is not roasted is not risotto. So I'm going to be roasting the rice now for 3 minutes. Yeah. So after 3 minutes of roasting this rice, I'm going to add the wine I'm using, which is cooking wine, dry white wine. I'm going to allow the wine to evaporate. Then we'll start adding the meat stock that I'm using. So the wine is done evaporating. Now I'm adding the meat stock. As you can see, I'm adding a cooking spoon once at a time. Okay, don't add all together. You need to add them batch by batch until the rice is cooked. This is how to cook risotto. Okay, so I'm going to continue adding this meat stock inside the rice while stirring them until the rice is cooked. I use about 1000 ml of meat broth. So go ahead and continue adding the meat stock or vegetable stock, any stock of your choice, into the rice until the rice is cooked. So I'm going to be bringing you back at the end stage. Here I'm adding just a little bit of salt and black pepper. Make sure you don't add too much salt because the meat stock has salt already. Okay. So I'm almost at the last stage of the rice. Now I melted that zafferano into stock. That is when now I'm adding them into the rice. Okay, as you can see, they changed the color of the rice completely. So I'm going to stir everything now, and I'm going to add the sausage at this time as well. So after adding the sausage, I'm going to stir everything up. I love to cover to put the lid on the rice when the rice is almost cooked, like at this last stage of it. So after stirring them, I'm going to put the lid on and allow them to cook for 3 minutes with the lid on. So now I took the lid off, and this is the final step. Okay, so after stirring them, now I'm going to be adding a tablespoon of butter and about 2-3 tablespoons of parmesan cheese inside. If you don't like cheese, you can add only butter. Okay, it tastes amazing as well, but the cheese helps to give it that delicious flavor that you're looking for risotto. Okay, so if you are the type that eats cheese, go ahead and add the parmesan cheese. You will love it. So now at this point, the heat is at the lowest, so I'm going to stir everything and allow the butter to melt, which is going to be taking just a minute. Okay, then I put the heat off, and our risotto is cooked, guys. This is so delicious, and this serves as first and second dish if you're the type that don't eat too much. Yeah, so wonderful, guys. I hope you give this video a try. If you do, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, share this video, and I will see you all in my next video. God bless you. Bye.